Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to split a line. So as example, you can create line object, and if you want to split this line, you can type break, press enter, and I will select this line object. The next you can press F and press enter to choose first break point, and I will click here and then click again to break the line. So if you select, it will be show two lines in this object. I will split again, so you can use break command, press enter, select the line objects, and press F buttons and press enter. Now you can click like at this point, click again to break. Okay, that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to split a line.